Hello, welcome to another session. This is the session on process and package management, where I'm going to do a task on installing a package, finding where it is within the system, seeing all the processes that I'm running. All these things I'm doing today in relation to what I've been doing for the whole month, just getting to learn the basics of Linux, the processes in Linux, how packages have been installed in Linux, and majorly in the Debian distros. This is Debian itself and Ubuntu. Currently in my machine, I'm running Ubuntu with a graphic user interface, but I have a virtual machine that has only the command line interface, and that is what I'm going to do today. So I have been given a test just to try and recap what I've been doing. And today the section that I'm going to work on is process and package management. So I have 3 tasks. I have to find and display all the running processes by the current owner, which is me right now. I have to install a package of my choice, either curl, htop, or a tree. I know curl is mostly used to access the websites or anything online. Htop is for seeing processes, and tree is for showcasing the tree structure. And then finally, the last process will be displaying the path where the package was installed. So let me get into it. So currently, I'm the owner. So let me just showcase to you. I am the current owner. It's Kelvin. So I want to see all the processes that I'm running. This one I can do with the command ps. Normally ps shows all the processes that are running, but it shows like a minimized one. The best one is usually top. So top. This gives me everything that I need to know. Excuse me for that. Now, just to see the processes that I'm running by myself, I'll use the command stop, the flag u. As you can see, I have very few processes that are running from my end. Currently, there's only one running, 164 stopped, and 164 sleeping and 0 stopped. So my CPU usage is barely 5%. All right, now that is done, and let me move to the next task, which is to install one of the packages. Install, first of all, I have to upgrade and update the packages. Next step, let me see if actually let me install curl itself. So sudo apps install curl. UKG was interpreted. You must run manually to correct the problem. All right, I don't know what the problem is. Let me try something else. Apt install tree. There seems to be an issue. Let me just research on it. ChatGPT. let me actually start kg bigger a. Let me see if that will correct the error itself as they have prompted me. Actually, that has corrected the issue itself. I didn't actually need to go and research so much, and that is the need to read the errors without necessarily having to fear it. So the next thing I'm going to install is install, that was free. Let me install htop. That one has been installed. Let me install finally cal. I think it's already installed. It's already in the newest version, so there was no need of installing it. So let me go to the second item that I was supposed to do, just confirming that everything is still recording. Right. Display the path where the package was installed. Can use simply the command which. So let me see where I installed car. Its user being car. I did install htop. I'm sure it should be user bin. Yes, and finally tree. I found tree to be a very good command in trying to help understand any kind of folder structure. For example, right now I have these are mainly files. Let me see which other files I have in here. I should be having a folder. I had created a folder earlier called trip optimal shared docs. I should be able to see it, but I cannot see it among the files I have. So let me cd into cd into trip optimal, cd into shared docs. So if I want to see the structure of shared docs, let me just move back, and then I can do tree shared docs. I can see the structure. It has only 3 files. If I move a bit back to the table, let me see tree optimal. You can see the structure of tree. It has 2 folders, the backup one and the shared docs. So it's a very good way of seeing the folder structures, and that is it. Thank you.